And here's our problem. Furnace is on. We're up to 79. Let's crank it up to 85, 83, just to be sure. Come outside. Fan's running. It fires for about 2 seconds, immediately shuts off. Fan will run for about 15 seconds and do it again. So, what did we find out? Note that our burners passed the test. Note, one tank is empty, the other one's about half full. Problem solved. Note, one empty tank, and one tank is half full. However, if you noticed in the previous video, the tanks were actually switched. So all we did is move this empty tank. We moved it to the other side. So now that side's empty. And put our tank that's only half full onto the main side of our RV. Why, you ask? Is the regulator bad? We'll find out. But that's what worked. We have two regulators. One on this side of the RV. The line runs. Comes over here. And it actually has to go through the other regulator to go out the line. So, one of two options. The camper is not able to run through two regulators to run the heater, or it's possible the other regulator is bad. It's worth a look anyway. Hope it works for you.